Video title, Are You Replaceable? AI tools that will replace jobs by 2026. Hook, Dir Zuru Tin SS. Background, fast-paced footage of robots and AI in action. Narrator, energetic tone. By 2026, half of today's jobs could be at risk. Are you ready for the AI revolution? Let's dive into the tools that will change the job market forever. Story, 10 down 40 cess. Background, montage of ordinary people at work, transitioning into AI and futuristic workplaces. Narrator, empathetic tone. Picture this. It's 2026. You wake up, ready to tackle your day, but as you sip your coffee, you notice a headline that sends shivers down your spine. AI bots take over half the workforce. You might think, not me, I'm safe in my job. But what if I told you that AI tools are already shaping your industry, and it's coming for your position? Value points, 40 to 120 cess. On screen, text highlights with graphics showing statistics and AI tools in action. 1. Age in customer service. Narrator, meet chatbots and virtual assistants like ChatGPT. They're revolutionizing how businesses interact with customers, providing 24/7 service without the need for human agents. Imagine entire customer service teams downsized. 2. Content creation tools. Narrator. Next up, we have AI-powered content creation tools like Jasper and WriteSonic. They can write articles, create marketing campaigns, and even compose music, all in a fraction of the time. Text and creativity, no longer just human domains. 3. Data, analysis, and management. Narrator. And let's not forget data analysis. Tools like Tableau and Looker, enhanced by AI, are transforming how companies interpret their data. The role of data analysts is evolving and fast. 4. Automation in manufacturing. Narrator. Finally, robotics in manufacturing isn't just a fad. AI-driven robots are taking on assembly lines, reducing human roles in a field once thought invincible to automation. Engagement hooks. 120 to 160 SEK. Background. Engaging images interspersed with statistics and question prompts. Narrator. Curious tone. What do you think? Will AI enhance human potential or put us out of a job? Comment below with your thoughts. Are you preparing for the job market of the future? CTA 160, 180, C. Background, upbeat music and an attractive visual of the channel's logo and subscribe button. Narrator, encouraging tone. If you found this video eye-opening, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights. Let's navigate this AI journey together. Don't be left behind. Stay informed and proactive. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future belongs to those who adapt. Outro. Video ends with upbeat music and a reminder to subscribe with video suggestions for further viewing.